In a general sense, composting is making use of our organic matters. Organic matters like our, we use in our school garden, as they say, we are in school garden, we use our food waste, the fruit peels, even the dead leaves found in the garden. We gather them together, we put into a composting bin. So when, after they say a period of time, like something like 2 to 3 months, then after the whole process is over, right? Then the compost is mature, and then we can take it out to use it as a fertilizer for our plants. And that's basically we do composting in the perspective of gardening.
For the fruit enzymes, we collected them over a span of about a week. People that I encountered with, they were very friendly with us. They even give their fruit peels.
Well, there are actually a lot of things we can do. One of the most simpler things that all of us can do is perhaps when you see your friend not finishing their food, just remind them that every piece of rice that they don't finish, it will end up in the landfills where it will be wasted. And instead, they can either finish it up or they can do something more with it.
Looking at Singapore's context, there are more and more community gardeners are working on doing gardening, and then they need a lot of this fertilizer, and of course compost will produce organic fertilizer. Is a better way of fertilizing our plants. So it will help to sustain the environment. By reducing our waste, we make waste into something useful.